Okay, folks, we are back in the lab, and here we have, of course, another lantern project. This is it's a DIETZ Blizzard, #2 Blizzard, and I've done a number of these on the channel. Each one beautiful in its own way. This one's gonna turn out real nice. I can just tell. I got a little work to do on the crown up there, but I don't see any other issues yet, and I say that now because that usually happens. I usually find something. Yeah, okay, so by the way, this is 1930, I believe it's on there. Yeah, 1930. So let's take a look. I happen to notice this. I'm hoping that's like a hunk of paint or a scratch, not a crack. Okay, so let's check it out. We got Supervisor Babies here. Supervisor Baby has a, he likes to wear cologne now. So that's what that is back there. That is an Avon cologne bottle, heavy glass. It's pretty cool. Okay, and we got some incense going. And how do you like my retro clock? An old alarm clock. That's for, I needed a clock. I didn't want to put a digital readout back there with all this wonderful goodness of stuff I got all over the place. And all right, let's get to this Blizzard. What do you say? So this Blizzard is big and tall. I'm gonna get this. Gonna get my incense burner made out of a the fount of a rusted out DIETZ Vesta. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what this has in store for us. Oh, there's a wasp. I think that's a scratch. Great. Heck of a scratch. And nothing on the inside. That is a scratch. Great. I mean, unless that's, I see some other interesting lines. I bet you there's some very cool swirls in this. We'll find out when we clean it up. But I wonder if that's an anomaly from the swirls. Pretty neat. So we'll clean that up. All right. Wasp. Hello, Mr. Wasp. Oh. It looks like the burner is free. Oh man, I feel like it's Christmas. Not having to deal with, look at that. Oh, and that's turning freely. Oh yeah, big beautiful wick in there to reuse. Nice. Okay. Well, it looks like the inner sheath here is not brass. Oh no, okay, that it was just carbon that was built up. I thought that was rust. It was just kind of interesting little formations of carbon on there. Oh, that's a little denty. We'll fix that up. Very nice. I don't think this has got a lock. This bail has got a lock knob, or I'm sorry, it's got a bail lock on it. So I don't think they put a little bit more of a hook on the ends of these when there's bail lock involved, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this bail out. Now, let's get this baby off of here. I was almost thinking of kind of just like leaving this globe guard, but then I see that these tabs are already kind of bent up a little bit, so I thought I'd go with it. I went with it. If this was like, you know, super clean or something, I would probably leave that. Just because I've turned over a new leaf with that. I just hate tool marks. I hate putting tool marks in, especially like tool marks I put on it when I put this back on. It's just, it bugs me. I mean, others may not even notice, but it bugs me. Okay, that is off. And putting these back on bugs the shit out of me. I mean, I'm not taking them off because it's fun. They're just annoying. Put back on. Get them aligned. Okay, that's in good shape. So this crown has got problems, so we're going to take the crown off. Yes, a little crushed. The crown tabs are a little crushed underneath here, and so is the crown itself. It's a little crushed. Okay. So, oh, well, I thought, oh, okay, it just, all right, it just crushed that top tab down a little bit. I tell you, my most useful tool, man, is these snub nose, flat nose pliers with no teeth. It is my most used tool with my lantern. All right, so we got that. This is a little denty. Yes, indeed. It's like it ripped it a little bit. Ripped the metal just a little. Okay, we'll take another look at that once we get it cleaned up, but that looks pretty darn good. Good. That's a little uneven there. I could probably put it in a vise and bring that back a little bit. So we will we'll tool with that after we, no pun intended. We'll tool with that when we get back from the grinder here. So yeah, there's no paint to take off, so that's great. I'm gonna go to the grinder and get, and like I've said before, my grinder, my bench grinder, is very mild on lanterns and metal. It's very weak for one thing. It's got like, I don't know, 2 amps, and I mean, I could almost stop it with my hands without drawing blood. But yeah, it would be very hard for me to like over grind off any part of a lantern, and that's my favorite part about the bench grinder, is that. My older videos, I put it in the video, me bench grinding everything, but I don't do it anymore. It's just cuts way down on time of the video, because my videos are pretty long. All right, so let's go to the grinder and we'll do these parts, and then we will continue. All right, folks, be right back. Okay, so we are back, and just as I suspected, it's pristine metal under here. Oh, this is gonna clean up so nice. Yeah, very happy. Very happy. I don't see any areas that are too far gone or anything. We just want to make them all look the same. So, what we're going to start to do is I'm going to start with some junk bits. So here is a junk bit that's going. So here's the stages of junk bits here. So new after about 30 seconds, after about a minute and a half, and after about 5 minutes. You can keep using it. It's just going to keep winding tighter and tighter, but it does give you some cleaning power. So we'll start with that, get some of this stuff off, and play around with some parts. So there's a little play time here. Get in there and find stuff and clean stuff. Good time. Good times, y'all. All right, what do you say? We play some jazz or some blues, or blues jazz, or jazz blues. How about that? I think we can throw some. Oh, no. I forgot a bit. Okay, so what's this going to need first? I think this half-wrecked garbage bit. Got to get in that little crotch there of the globe guard. Something that these other tools cannot get at. All right, let's get it. Now we can proceed. So, ooh, various pillows of steel wool going here all at once. Now, this new one, we can save that. All right, so I got little bits like this, so these would be good for wires. Because, I mean, steel wool is still useful until there ain't any of it left. Okay, let's treat, by the way. Wash this baby up. Beautiful, nice and crisp. So, now we're going to treat and then wipe down, and then we'll reconvene here to speak as we reassemble. Boom. Right. Well, this is looking fantastic. So, now, yay, the fun part. Getting this baby on. Okay, so we put our cap on there. Beautiful. All right. Oh, I wanted to bend that back. I forgot about that. Click. Okay. We are in. We are golden. We got to get the crown on here yet. Let's do that. All right. So, one, got two. Okay, the ripped hole I'm not going to put back on the same one. All right. That ain't going nowhere. Okay. So, let's throw a globe in it. All right. So here's one that came in it. I just wanted to show you. So here's the one that came in it, and that turned out to just be a scratch, by the way. And here's another DIETZ Fit All. As you can see, there are quite a few differences. Lock knob, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Pretty cool. I like that big print like that. So now this may have glass cancer on it. I'm going to try with a little steel wool and see if it clears it up. Oh, okay. Good, good, good. All right, I obviously need to well, look at that. We are done with a DIETZ Blizzard, number 2 Blizzard, 1930, number 2 Blizzard. This thing's in great shape. Great. All over. All over, just in great shape. It's a beauty. Crown looking just fine. Just a little ripple there now. Beautiful. And it's on there and it's secure. Inside the tank is pristine. Yeah, very pretty. It's a pretty lantern, man. No hidden issues with this one at all. So, all right, folks. Well, here we are. Another blizzard down. And hopefully it's the end of winter, by the way. So the blizzards really do end. That would be great. It is mid-March, so there's still time for a couple blizzards in there. All right, folks, thank you so much. Oh, by the way, this one on the back has got the patent date. 14. All right, folks, thank you so much. And as usual, don't you go changing.
We'll be back with the Magic Tunes for the Armada Room's 2-hour disco swing party after this short break. Till then, don't you go changing.
Sit, Ubu, sit. Good dog.